In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in Hostinger via DNS 1 2026 guide. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Hostinger website. This is the central place where you manage your hosting and domains, so it's worth pausing for a second on the home page to get familiar with the services you'll be working with. Once you're oriented, move straight to your account area. Look for the My Account option and click it. This section is designed to let you manage your hosting services, your personal information, and other account-related settings. And going here first sets you up to access the exact tools you'll need for verification. After you're in your account, navigate back to the Hostinger control panel, often labeled Home. This dashboard gives you a clear overview of your services, tools, and options. The layout is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy to spot where your domain settings live without hunting through menus. From the control panel, find and click the Domains section. Here, you'll see every domain connected to your account, all in one place. This interface is built to give you full access to configuration settings, which is essential for confirming ownership. Even if this is your first time, the structure keeps things straightforward and easy to follow. Within domains, choose Manage on the domain you want to verify. This opens a more detailed view with controls to configure, modify, and check various parameters. This is also where you'll find DNS-related options and the tools specifically tied to domain ownership. Next, look for the area labeled Domain Ownership and open it. This is the dedicated interface for the actual verification step. You'll see clear instructions along with the fields that need to be completed. Take your time here and enter your details carefully. Make sure the information you type matches what's on file with your domain registrar. Consistency is key. Small mismatches can delay or block verification. When everything looks correct, click the Create Profile button. This submits your details for verification and registers your ownership through the platform's DNS settings. After you submit, the system begins confirming the link between your domain and your hosting or account. A few quick tips while you wait. Avoid making additional DNS edits until verification completes. Double check for typos if something doesn't go through. And remember that DNS-related checks can take a little time to reflect. Once verified, you're set to move forward with building and launching your site without configuration hiccups. That's it. Your domain ownership is now on track to be confirmed efficiently, giving you a solid foundation for everything you'll build next.